Amazon CodeWhisperer is a machine learning powered code generator that provides you with code recommendations in real time. Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokce DB, and in this video, we're going to look at 6 code examples generated by CodeWhisperer in the AWS Lambda Console. Let's get into it. Let's start by navigating to the Lambda service, then click on Create Function and give your function a name. Choose Python from the Runtime dropdown, then click on Create Function. Scroll down to the code source section and delete all the default code. Click on Tools in the top menu, then select Amazon CodeWhisperer Code Suggestions.
Attention!
If you get an error here saying you don't have enough permissions, then you have to enable the correct IAM permissions for either your IAM user or role. And here's a sample CodeWhisperer policy that you can use. Another way to enable CodeWhisperer suggestions is by clicking on the gear icon, then navigate to Hints and Warnings under User Settings.
Howdy, partner!
Next, let's close the Preferences tab and go back to our Lambda function. For the first example, we're going to look at a single-line code completion suggestion. Say I want to initialize an S3 client. To do that, I start by typing S3_client equal to. Now we can ask CodeWhisperer to complete this code by going to the Tools menu and clicking on Suggest Code Snippet. Here, CodeWhisperer is suggesting that we use the boto3.client method with S3 as the parameter. To accept this suggestion, just use the tab key.
Yeehaw!
And in case you wanted to reject CodeWhisperer's suggestion, you would use the escape key. Note you can also use the Option C shortcut on a Mac and Alt C shortcut on a Windows machine to suggest code snippets.
Stay tuned, there's more to come.
For the second example, we're going to look at contextual single-line code completion based on already written code. Here, I'm starting by initializing the SQS client, then defining the message and the queue_URL variables. And on line 4, I'm asking CodeWhisperer to complete my sqs.sendMessage method. Here, you can see that CodeWhisperer is smart enough to know that I already have the queue_URL variable defined for queue_URL and message variable defined for the message body. For the third example, let's look at a full function generation based on a function signature. Here, I start by defining a function called readFromS3 with bucket as the first parameter and key as the second parameter. Now, if I ask CodeWhisperer to complete the rest of the code, it should be able to generate the full function for me. In the next example, let's ask CodeWhisperer to complete the quicksort algorithm. You can also ask CodeWhisperer to generate a full function based on a comment. In this example, we're going to ask CodeWhisperer to write the binary search function. CodeWhisperer also provides line-by-line recommendations. Let's look at an example where we want to publish a message to a CloudWatch logs group. Here, you can keep asking CodeWhisperer to provide you with code suggestions and receive line-by-line snippets. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.